The main purpose of this kiosk is to make buying food and drinks faster, easier, and more convenient, especially for those with busy class schedule. Many students often skip meals or feel tired because they don't have enough time to go to nearby cafe like FATHI. Long queues and slow manual payments make the problem even worse. On the vendor side, they also face difficulties managing order and payment efficiently without a proper digital system. So our kiosk system aims to solve this issue. Through this kiosk, users can easily browse menu and special offer, customize their order, pay using either cash or e-wallet or QR code, and even track their order status in real time. By implementing this system, we can support cashless payment while helping vendor managing their menus and order more effectively. Overall, it will create a faster, more organized, and convenient experience for both customer and vendor at FCSIT.
Our client is the UNIMAS Faculty of Computer Science and Information Technology Kiosk, which is managed by Pertekma, Persatuan Teknologi Maklumat, and handled by Ms. Ervina Eva Anasoga, a Pertekma member and kiosk treasurer who oversees daily operations. It is located at Block B's entrance. The kiosk serves as a vital food and beverage vendor for students, lecturers, and staffs. It provides convenient and affordable meals during academic hours but currently operates mostly using manual processes. The kiosk's core business involves selling prepackaged and prepared food and drinks to meet the fast-paced demand during break periods. Its primary audience is the FCIST community, though it serves all Unimasians. The operational goal is simple: provide quick, affordable sustenance to keep the faculty community energized throughout their academic day. Let's take a look at Network Clan's team background. Consists of 6 people. Our logo embodies our values. The double hexagon represents stability and interconnected networks. Our initials, bridged by a coffee cup, symbolizes our goal to connect technology with campus dining. The navy blue and vibrant blue reflects our professionalism, technical expertise, and innovation. And the small dots emphasize connectivity and collaboration, creating an identity that reflects our commitment to building smart, practical solutions. We are Network Clan, a software engineering team established in October 2025 with a mission to revolutionize the campus food and beverage experience. We are passionate developers who recognize the inefficiencies in the current kiosk system. Our comprehensive application will streamline ordering, reduce waiting times, and provide students and staff with a seamless digital experience. Our motto, "Where Code Meets Community," captures our philosophy perfectly. We believe the best software engineering happens when developers truly understand and engage with people they serve. This kiosk application isn't just about transactions. It's about creating a digital space where our faculty community can easily access what they need. Technology should bring people together and not isolate them.
Currently, the kiosk operation faces several limitations. Vendors do not have a proper system to track how many QR transactions have been made, which food and drinks have been sold, or how many revenue has been generated each week. Managing student part-timer is also a challenge. It's difficult to schedule their shift and calculate their wage accurately, since they are paid around 4 ringgit per hour and can work up to 4 shifts per week. Besides that, there is no centralized system to manage daily menus or to notify users about special offers. Because of this issue, kiosk operations have become inefficient. Vendors often face inaccurate reports, and both vendor and customer experience reduced convenience. Therefore, there is a need for a digital kiosk management application that can automate order and payment tracking, monitor worker schedule and wage, generate accurate revenue report, and enhance the overall user experience for both students and staff at FCSIT.
My name is NURAQILAH binti ROZMAN, and I will be presenting to you about project objective. So our team use system development life cycle (SDLC). As we know, SDLC has 7 stages. So we have 7 project objective here. So the main objectives of this project are as follows. First, to identify problems of the existing manual kiosk management system at FCSIT opportunity for improvement, and clear project goals. Second, to determine requirements in form of functional and non-functional to develop an efficient mobile kiosk application. Third, to analyze the system needs and system specification to ensure it to meet the expectation of students, vendors, and staff. Fourth, to design the recommended system in terms of system architecture, database, and user interface for a user-friendly mobile application. Fifth, to develop and document software by preparing proper documentation for system use and maintenance. Sixth, to test and maintain the system for functionality, reliability, and usability, ensuring smooth operation. And seven, the last one is to implement and evaluate the system in terms of system performance, effectiveness, and user satisfaction. For project perspective, we use three-tier architecture. The first layer is presentation layer, the second one is application layer, the third one is database layer. So the first one, presentation layer, provides a user-friendly mobile interface for user. It allows customer to browse available menus, make orders, and complete payment. It enables vendors to manage order, update menu, and view daily sales report. It provides staff with a dashboard for data monitoring and staff scheduling. The second layer is application layer. It handles user requests and business logic. It manages data flow between the user interface and the database. Application layer includes modules for order management, payment processing, worker scheduling, and report generation. The last layer is database layer. Database layer stores data including user information, menu items, orders, payment records, schedules, and reports. Database layer ensures data integrity, consistency, and security through proper database management and access control.
Today I will present to you about our project scope, the system environment, software methodology. So first, our Kiosk FSTS apps projects, that's our big project there. So here I want to focus what, why, and how for this project. So first, you have our project scope. You can see here we have a user portal, functionality, and impacts. So for first user portal, you have customer, which is include the staff and students. Here we have the function. What is the functionality for this portal is for menu customization, cashless QR, e-wallet payment, and order tracking. So what is the impact for this user portal is faster, modern service. So for indoors and admin, the functionality is real-time order management, dynamic menu, stock update, and the consolidate sale report. So for the impact is efficiency, data delivered management. Okay. And the staff part-time, the functionality for this portal is for shift scheduling, digital clock in out, and also the automate wage calculation. So the impact is it's good for the operation, and it's simple for the operation. For system environment and stack, we are using a modern, scalable, cloud-based architecture for real-time data. Okay, development platform, we use Flutter, which is what we going to learn for this semester, and For database, we use the Firebase Firestore for real-time and scalable data. Deployment, we use cloud-based hosting, and the payment is we stimulate e-payment, local QR. Okay, for the software methodology, Agile, Scrum. Okay, we use Scrum, Agile Scrum. Okay, so why Scrum? It's a high user interaction. The app's success depends on excellent user experience, and repeat feedback allowed us to quickly incorporate user and vendor feedback after initial testing. So risk mitigation, the interactive approach ensure we deliver a product that meet the kiosk fast operation needs. How we can apply Scrum? So we have 3 roles here, which is a product owner, Scrum Master, and the development teams. So the product owner, the responsibility is to maximizing product value, which is manage the product backlog. The Scrum Master have to coaching the teams to ensure Scrum principles are followed, and the development teams is to deliver. Responsibility is to delivering a done increment at the end of the sprint.
For our task allocation and contribution, each team member was assigned specific roles and responsibilities to make sure our project was completed successfully. I was responsible as a software tester, where I ran tests on both mobile and web platforms, developed test scripts, and reported any bugs or defects found. I also helped ensure the system met its purpose and quality standards. As UI/UX designer, both Farah and I developed mock-up of the application, tested user experience issue, and designed activities with an eye-catching and user-friendly interface. Farah also worked as a software developer, implementing mobile app components using Flutter and testing the app's responsiveness on different devices. ELLYSIA Eva, our project manager, handled project objective, managed resource, and ensure all deliverables were completed on time. She also acted as the quality manager, maintaining product quality through inspections and data analysis. SITI AZ'ZAHARAH shared the quality manager role, ensuring that our app met quality standards and preparing analysis report. NURAQILAH served as our planning manager, managing communication with the client, scheduling project activities, and providing progress updates. Lastly, NURAQILAH worked as a software developer and planning manager, focusing on app development using Flutter while also helping to maintain planning and communication between the team and client. Overall, through teamwork and clear role distribution, we were able to collaborate efficiently and achieve all project goals. Throughout the project, our team worked closely together to understand what we needed to achieve. Through regular meetings and discussions, we made sure everyone was clear about our direction and responsibilities. Our first goal was to develop a superior mobile application that satisfies our client. We met regularly with the client to ensure that every feature met their needs and help improve the FCSIT kiosk operations. Secondly, we aim to build a stable and user-friendly system that allows vendors to manage menus, track sales, and monitor payments, while students and staff can order and pay conveniently. Our third goal focuses on teamwork and communication. Each member contributes their skills and ideas to ensure smooth progress and quality results. Finally, we made sure to meet every deadline by managing our time well and avoiding delays. Overall, our teamwork, discipline, and commitment help us achieve all of these goals successfully.
I will be explaining the expected results and deliverable of our system. So, for our final working system, it should be able to display high-resolution menu with prices, image, and quantity of each item. It also allows order customization and cashless payment using the QR and e-wallet, and also should able to track real-time order status. This is in the customer interface, while in the kiosk management system interface, it should be able to enable admin or staff to manage menus, stocks, orders, and sales reports, record staff attendance, and handle replacement, and it also should able to calculate staff wages automatically based on their attendance. Then, the system should also be capable of real-time synchronization of data between the user, staff, and admin portals, and it also should have the secure database to store order and payment information. Hence, if our finance system has all the features and the system is working well, then it will benefit the FCSIT community by faster customer service, accurate sales tracking, easier vendor management, and better overall efficiency. For the system artifacts and documentation that need to be prepared in this project, first we have the project proposal that outlines the objective, problem statement, background, scope, and our project timeline. Next, we have the software requirement specification, the SRS, that will define the functional and non-functional requirements. Additionally, the software design specification that will provide the technical roadmap for developer, detailed system architecture, and the high-level design. We also need to prepare the user manual to guide the user step by step for using the system application, and then prepare the test report that will include the test case, results, and bug reports, as well as the team software process TCPI forms, which track the project progress, task, time, and defect logs, and also quality and performance data of the team members. Finally, we need to prepare the meeting minutes and interview records, which will document the team discussion, client feedback, and requirement gathering sessions.
This is our Gantt chart for our planning stage. We use green bars to show that the tasks are either completed or submitted. For example, our client interview on both week 2 and 4. And the last task, which is proposal submission, which will be submitted by 2nd of November. This second Gantt chart is for phase 1, ranging from week 5 until week 9, which we have planned according to schedule and requirements on ELIP, and will be executed once planning phase ends. And blue bar symbolizes the upcoming planning and scheduled tasks. Lastly, Gantt chart for phase 2, ranging from week 10 until week 15, also planned according to ELIP schedules.